Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in SEM TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching. I will serve Mr. unsubscribe and Mr. on our subscribe. Found some notification bell also for more news.
Obian soon to me Ghana and Tiny Niasi. Now the Nema Airquay a Nema Bia as a man penning for so many because I said you say Obian Casabi or Ghana. Obia who be a cost to be a say normal. And she them in Pemo Hassem. Men cocan and ya be dimate, men cocan Maconia by money, and ye na ye Timuana, President Mahama, or Nino Crow for your diomope. But Otun for a kind, I say brain in castle.
Na NDC for to me dia tun for ni emo tun for dia hometie ka say ebre ni nkaso that's when is woman you pa
oh akoko bronsa
ni re free
akroma anti nipa bi nyatumi a omo susu se ewiase no ebe yom dia da
oh okay
sa na akoye nipa bi nyatumi omo bi fi se ewiase be yom dia da hwe na ye wo na elementary school zamre na elementary school ye time middle school
so the ja aduma ko be fi se GH nketia
person na ye wo na ye wo history book bi na baby no oka Kwame Nkrumah ho asem ti no ase omekia yi go say Nkrumah as the head of state or president took unto himself too much power. And because he had so much power, it was not possible for the people to do or say anything against his wishes. Sabi we brofu we na me de enti sam na mi swapan so akamitrim was say Nkrumah as the head of state or president took unto himself too much power. And because he had so much power, it was not possible for the people to do or say anything against his wishes. They suffered a great deal, and this must be avoided in future. Obia wonim tete middle school history book bia onko hwesa book no. I'm saying na from 3 to form 4. Obehunu sa asem wi wo. Kwame me say NDC they are heading to distraction. Kwame Nkrumah try say obey Ghana one party state. Into obeka political parties ni nyina ahye. Na ono ne CPP no nko a aye adwuma. Enu ne ma CPP gu ye no. President Mahama ni NDC for feel say o manya majority in parliament. Into omo de beka MPP ahye asay MPP. Na omo party na tena ho. Me see NDC is heading to distraction. Omo obi antwento one. So ban ya de anamono mpeso mutu say ye be ye public tribunal na ye de akekere nkrofo omo nyina me botai nyina ne say omo be no ma kekere MPP for de o makogum thinking say omo yesa MPP no begu na NDC enya hoden me say NDC wo mo bo mamna no ma bakwa akotom na abaya say mizemfo amuhu omu nei muhu omu de biara da etamo kama NDC ya ewo sesei President Mahama ne nkrofo mo handle sesei no ebe me na yesa CPP obe ho by name obia ni ho betumi abaya Ghana one party state obia ni ho Rollins mpa 1992 oko parliament no ni opposition bia MPP fo ba kokora nko ho no wantumi anya Ghana one party state na campus John Mahama
okay
NDC for any to me to me kase wo Ghana obi enya bida Kwame Nkrumah mpo enya bisa
there be
Kwame Nkrumah di 9 years
yes
NDC for rule of my Ghana dictatorship 11 years and na ye ba democratic rule and democratic governance and so 8 years ye kabuma say 19 uninterrupted years 19 years okudelo mutimi de baga na man ti ba nyo man yi etide me hudo obi ti say President Mahama no opeso blame na akufo adwa na just say I feel scandalized
Okay. Before some beto aso no mama ye ni san komo nwie.
Okay.
Na me ne ma ba beto en komo no so mostly related to Rano a ye jili ndra.
Okay.
One
me
year.
ho asem kapa.
Me ne lawyer Morris Sampao eni en komo kakra na ye hwade. Council, good morning.
Morning, yeah.
Me pa
You could not NC my telephone myself for the other.
atie for na ahwefo nyina agye so. Me gidi so ho ye.
I told me, yeah,
Okay. Abayo yi a oye NPP TikToker ne activist yi ye chin na no ye hu wo social media so ne yes we plead guilty ama ya hyese ye nkoye pregnancy test na ye ma no sentence kire ene ye hu a video of a rano the body part onye obi phone recorded the ba say ya bono wo cell ho ama yede wayare kra me yede nako hospital I think was painted so baby endra asa grag
yedi be creative numa ama Ghana for obi utuwe se utumi ko bank anajo a ompe no obi say na say ne de anajo bank ne metumi ayo me phone so o se obi ben kasa ti de make so obetumi akọ bank anajo a ompe obi so eja yedi envelope abre ni nti o say hi it will be good you na enyansafo mienu ete platform no snow. I'm talking banking. And this is me kind of where the can war ecosi sense. I'm talking banking. Me pacho obia wo me na so me you are here. Erudite. Anyone who is watching me from anywhere, say Marcus, you are in UK, you can tell me this. Tell me any insurance company that would ensure a bank to operate at 2 a.m. live banking when there's online banking. Insurance company be take his idea and say Rex and say I'm going to ensure a bank here. Say a bank no obey juma and I do 2 a.m. 3 a.m. Mama ya nyadi Obetina na wo kan no be making the say bia wo MPP nti na de mo ye no esay o man no insurance company ben and also me wo nyansa na me dey have taken a bank on me na me insure omo na enso ma allow omo say omo nya adwuma 2 a.m. Why do you think say bank by 5 they are starting close? Even high officers they almost so na de omo chim e dey akwa chiri kura no acha by 7-8 ni atutu yes nka eni ni na akoye wo he koye online but Sami Jemfi and Obi two so-called lawyers sat on the platform to tell Ghana for now say yes, it is true we can actually do banking at night. Any jana man call it. Adia chinya na abrantie bi ni tika kraka bi. Yes, a friend DK say DKH Ghana. Me pato ti you. Who ye commercial? Edi ame ni party wo policy ase. Said ye be yo mekwa koto aba ade ayeden edi ama o. MPP for ye bi. Okay, Calibus. Now omo ye registration. Any passport renewal na na do no ma pensi you tumi ye no online out tumi tina with them they apply passport na ade no. Now Goro boy bi ajiges bisika. They be anu odwane o passport na bebe na o chere bebe na chere na ye chere mo so obetumi aye na digital ene ye de sere ye fefefe NDC for to justify say yanko say the bank ya na jono. This is what they did. Yakofa DKB yes ni din no ni tika kraka bi say ono akofa ashawo e de na bafie na odi ashawo ne ba aye no 2 a.m. abo ashawo ni say o kontino openisika ashawo ni say na de ompini o so man cash momo wo ho and the hookup girls in momo ne de ye adwuma odi nkan de deposit ko na the transport na ka ho no aba uwi adwuma na de nkan na ma no ko sa na ya ye na but under John Mahama the opposition time yen say Ghana for adwuninti ye ma obi koye commercial say anaju 2 a.m. ono akofa ashawoni ba ne na beda ashawoni ni gine sika enti ye 2 am no otu car anajo ekogina ATM ho se oyiska no de ekotua na ashawoni ka